Brad Williams, Excel Prime. I'll show you one example. We have 555 here. Highlight a cell, hit Control D. If you don't like that, hit Control Z. If you want to copy this information, hit Control C. Move down, hit Control V. You don't like that information, Control Z. You want to copy this information to the right, highlight whatever area you want, Control R. You want to copy this information down, hold down your Shift key, Control D, Control down. You don't like that information, Control Z. You want to delete a column, highlight the column, Control minus. You want to add a column, Ctrl+Shift plus. One of the most important to implement is Control S. File save. Why? Well, because Excel loves to crash for unknown reasons. When you hit Control S, you won't see anything. Copy this information down, Control D, and then hit Control S. And there may be a quick blink in your sheet, but there's really no indication that there was a save. Can you hit Control Z? After you saved, you can still hit Control Z and hit Control S. And lastly, let's just enter equals 1 plus 1, Control C, Control C, Control V. We have a formula here, right? But I don't want the formula. We can go Control copy. We want just the value, Control Alt V. Then we'll get this dialog box. We hit values, okay. We have just the number. I just showed you 10 different examples using shortcut keys. Implement them. Practice, practice, practice. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, out. Williams out.